All right, so a certain database charges users a registration fee of X plus, and it charges registered users Y dollars per file downloaded. So number of files downloaded times Y, and that's going to be your cost. What is the amount of the registration fee? That's a total cost. All right, let's look at clue 1. The total charge to download 50 files is 1/2. So that's going to be X plus the number of files, which is 50, times Y equals the total cost, which is 150. Well, I'm trying to find X, but I can't solve this because I don't know how much the fee is to download. I don't know the registration cost, so I'm stuck. Forget about clue 1. Let's look at clue 2. This time it's going to be registration fee plus 100 files times how much it costs to download each one. And this time it's going to cost 225. But once again, you can't solve that for X. So now what you do is put them together, and you've got two equations, X plus 50Y equal 150, and X plus 100Y equal 225. You can solve that by either substitution or elimination to solve for X. Anytime you have two equations with the same two variables, you can solve for X and Y. So your answer is C.